Hi everyone, my name is Forrest, and yes, today we'll continue on the character stories. Okay, so we want to do. I want to do the what? There's actually a circus series here we can go for. Yes, this one. If Misaki is a member of the circus. Long time ago, in a country, there is a city called Wolf, where it is a place that promotes circus skills. Where it's a place for circuses to promote circus skills, and all circus members came here to show off their skills. Oh well, this is a really good dress, to be honest. Alright, this is our singer. This is the blue. So this is the Blue Circus's singer Misaki's solo. Everybody, let's give another round of applause for Misaki. Miss Misaki, look at here. Today your voice is incredible. I could get to listen Miss Misaki's singing. Miss Misaki's singing on live. That way, even if I heard to be dead, it's still worth it. Hi, Miss Misaki. Thanks for your help. Well, it's the first time I've seen a show. Your voice is the same as Rumor's. It's extremely beautiful. With Miss Misaki, for next times, wait, hindi. It's alright. I don't think. I'm sorry. I don't know what this means here. Sorry, guys. And for next time, for the great circus show, your team would certainly get first place. Being the sponsor of the Blue Circus, I've earned it. But although your songs are great, but I felt like you should be a bit more passionate towards the audience. Like, we make money because we have fans, right? Like, not even showing a smile. It's a bit. Hey, where are you going? I'm sorry. Sponsors. Well, there is a reason why she's not very close towards others. You are. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to introduce myself. I am the clown in Blue Circus. You can call me Satoru. Oh, that's it. What should she face that? Well, actually, Misaki saw her parents died in her own eyes. And ever since, she closed her heart. I see. But it's because of her tragic past. her voice would seem that sad, that beautiful, which captures everyone's hearts. And also, the Her That Does Not Smile was titled as the Ice Queen by the fans, and they all loved her. Oh, hearing you said that, I understand. So that means... Wait, sorry. 高冷是傻了，我这个对不起大家，我真的 sorry guys, I don't really so just keeping a more distant seems to appeal to the audience more, right? You can say it that way. Oh really, it seems that it seems that I'm too nosy into things. Then please apologize to her for me. I'll leave the show to you guys. You must win at the great circus competition, is it supposed to be? Alright. I think it should be competition, should be more like, yeah.